Hey guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So the video I want to show you today is how you can actually set up a flight, hotel, or a tour or car booking website or platform. So what you're actually seeing right now is a sample of the website. I will show you how the website works and how you can do a general setup of the website. It actually comprises of different sections like the home page, the user dashboard, and the admin side where all control is what's done. So right now all you can see on this website right now can be controlled from the admin side. So you can see all these details what can be done from the admin side. So on this website you can book hotels, you can book cars, you can book flights, tours, and more of other services. So we can also I'll show you how you can set up this website, how these services can work for different cities. So take for example right now I can book a flight. Now I can select Berlin. I can select a one-way flight, let me say from Berlin to Dubai. So I'll pick up the dates. So pick up the dates and then I'll click on search. So by the time you click on search, so this is what you get. You can see right now 57 flights found. So you can see right now these 57 flights has been found. So these are the list of flights that I was found. So you can see now economy. So you can see that now. So right now I can click on more details now to see more details of the flights, and I can select flights to book this particular flight now. So you can see right now. Oh, I'll just put in my details, put in my name, put in a phone number, put in an address. I can just say St. Louis Avenue. Okay, current country, nationality. I can leave those like that. Traveler. Okay. Nationality. State, date of birth. So just select this now. Passport ID, just select this. So let me just leave these details like that. Traveler. Okay, I can still select this. Just select any details. So right now let's keep to the payment part now. So you can pay with bank, can pay later, can pay with Stripe. So let me select this pay later. So you can see the details now. This is the charge. So I can click on confirm booking. Okay, it's asking me for a name. Okay, I need to fill up all these details and okay, I think that will be all. Okay. Oh, okay, passport number, and now I'll click on continue. So you can see now that the invoice has been created. I can choose to download, send to WhatsApp, or request for cancellation. So right now you can see the details now has been created. So this is how the flight booking works, and this is how the flight booking works. So I will show you how you can actually set up something like this now. So let me log into a user account, put in my email address, click on login. Okay, correct details. So you can see now this is how my dashboard looks like. It has my balance, my total bookings, my pending invoices. So it also, oh shit, I logged out. That was a mistake. I will need to log in again. So like I was saying, this is my user dashboard. it has the wallet balance, total bookings, and the pending invoices. I can go to my bookings to see all the bookings are done with what my account. So I can also go to my profile to check my profile details and also do some edits on my profile. So now let me take you to the admin side where you can do all the work setup. So this is the admin end, and I'll log into the admin now. Log into the admin. Okay, I need to log out this. Log in again. Okay, now so you can see now that this is the admin dashboard. So when you come to alerts here, you can see the various alerts done by the various activities done on the platform, either like user registration, user login, and all that. So when you come to settings, go to general settings to do your site settings. So you can see now your domain name, your license key, and all that. So you can also change the default color of the platform. So this is the color right now. I can also set up my SEO here. You can see them now. So here you can choose that. You can say that guests can log in. Sorry, guests can do bookings. Users can allow registration, suppliers registration, agents registration, and all that. Then you click on update settings. So there are other details here which can be carried out. So again, you can change user roles. You can make anybody. You can give any role to anybody, either their agents. Can create a new role, the admin role, employer role, supplier role, and all that. Then when you go to payment gateway, then you can set various payment gateway, and you can turn on and turn off any payment gateway. So if you want to set the paper payment gateway, all you have to do is click on paper settings. You input your credentials like the API key and other credentials. They click on submit. Then you can be able to collect payments with your paper. So for direct bank transfer, you can also set up your details here too, and again you can ask to pay later. So this is where you can set up the payment gateway. So for currency, you can go on and off any currency. You can also add more currencies that you want the platform to support. So for your email setup now, to set up your email, all you have to do is go to SMTP to go. You create an account. Then by the time you create an account, you get your API key. Then you put your details and you click on submit. For locations, look at now, we have different locations. So which locations you want the platform to actually support, you can toggle on and on here. You can also add a new location here. So you can also add a new location. So you can see now that I can also edit a particular location. You can see them now. Same goes for countries. You can see them now. I can add a new country, I can delete a country, and I can actually edit the country. So modules here actually talk about the various So modules here talk about the various services. So right now, if you want to set up the hotel search, so you'll be able to search for hotels on different countries or cities. So these are the ones that we have set from the system. So if you want to use the hotel API, all you have to do is use hotel beds. So now you can get your credentials, your secret key, and your API key. So you can go to Google and search for developer hotel bed. So you create an account. So I think I already created an account. I'll just go to my dashboard. So you can get your API keys here. So to get your API keys, click on this place now. So this is the API key. You put your API key on the credential 2 and your secrets. Put it in 1. Then make this one to be in development. Click on merchant API. You can put in currency and you click on submit. So let's just test it now and see. So I use Dubai. Let me select a day and traveler. There's no data found now. Okay, I don't think the API is actually working. So you can, to set up for flights, all you have to go for flight setup, go to Amadeus. So you can click on what settings. Okay, I think I need to do something. For flight setup, you use what Amadeus. So to get your credentials for Amadeus, go to their websites and say developer Amadeus. So you can see right now, you go to Amadeus developer platform to get your keys. So right now I have an account already, but if you don't have an account, all you have to do is register. So from my own, I'll click on sign in. I'll sign it to my accounts. So after you sign it to your account, go to my self-service workspace to get your API key. Then go to apps. So right now I have an app already, so I'll create a new app. So I can just say my trip test, business to consumer optional. So I'll click on create. It creates a new app. So now this is the API key. Now I'll copy the API key. Copy the API key. I will select the API secrets and paste it here. Okay, I'll leave this like that. I'll click on submit and try and do a flight test, flight search now. Let me select this now. No traveler. Okay, no flights results. So either we can just do more search to know which of the days there are flights available. So this, you use Amadeus for the word flight setup. So same thing goes for the other modules too. So by the time you come to users, you can manage what users registered on the platform. The users that are actually registered on what platform, you can turn on and turn off their what status. So when you go to CMS here, you can create more pages. You can edit the various menus, the headers and the footer. So by the time you go to bookings, you can from here you can edit what each bookings done by the user. So you can see this booking now, this pending booking done by this account. So I can come here now and click on edit booking. I can make it what pending, I can make it confirmed. So I can also put the status what to be paid. Then I'll click on what settings. So right now I can go to booking details. So you can see now this is what the booking or details. So you can see now this is what the booking or invoice. When you go to transaction, you see the various transactions. No transaction currently done. So yeah, from here now we can actually set up our what's it called, flights. So you can see right now from what airport early to which airport. So right now let me select this now. Also this, I'll go to flights from LHE to DSB. Let me see dates now. Departure time, arrival time. So these details is what you use to configure the particular flights. Okay. So I'll turn on the status now. Go to flights. So so I can see this. So you can see right now that this flight which I actually set up here now, it actually was showing. So right now this flight can actually be booked, so you can see one flight found. So if you don't want to use the API, you can do your flight setup from what flights here. So this is how it is now. So you can see it. So you can also set up what flights, what airports. You can see the various airports now. You can add more airports and you can delete what more airports. Same goes for what airlines. You can set up airlines, delete airlines, edit what airlines. So by the time you go to tours too, you can also do tours setup. So let's go to tour now. See tours now. Let's see. Okay, so you can see the various tours. So I can search for any city now. For example, I search for Dubai and I will click on search. So you can see right now. So these are the word tours. More tours are loading for Dubai city. So you can see them now. All you have to do is to do them from, you can set them from here, add a new tour, or you edit a particular tour, or you can delete the tours there. So you can go to tour settings now. So you can carry out what tour settings. So same thing goes for cars. If you want to do car bookings, all you have to do is come set them up here on the admin side. You can see cars, then add them. So by the time you go to cars here on the home page, you can see them now. You can see, also select a city. So this is how the website works. So whatever you want to display on the home page can be set from the admin side. So you can see the various statistics right now. So this is how the website works. So what I'll show you right now is how you can actually set up this kind of website. And to be able to set up this kind of website, you'll be needing a domain name and you'll be needing your hosting. So to get an hosting, you can go to this engine to get your hosting. Go to this engine to get your hosting. So if you don't have an account, all you have to do is go to the register link to register an account. You go to, by the time you register an account and you log into your account, you go to hosting, you go to shared hosting, select which of the packages which you want and which will be convenient for you. So you can click on order now. So if you don't have a domain name, you can register your domain name here and select the extension, or click on the last option there, which is I'll use my existing domain name. You put in your domain name, you put in the extension, you click on what use. So then you continue to the next page, which is your billing. So you choose the billing cycle, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. So by the time your cPanel details is being sent to you, you log into your cPanel and you will have something like this. So let me show you now. I will log into my cPanel now. Let me show you how you can actually set up this kind of website. So when you log into your cPanel, it will be like this. The home page of your cPanel will be like this. So the next thing you have to do is go to your file manager. Go to file manager. If you want to upload the script or your main domain, you can use the public underscore HTML. But right now I want to use a subdomain name. So I'll go to domains and go to this and I'll click on create a new domain. So I can give it trip. Give it trip. I will okay, now I'll click on what submit. So you can see now I will go to the folder now. I'll click on upload. It's uploading right now. It's currently uploading. So now it has finished uploading. I'll go to my file manager again and then okay, still loading. Now I will extract the files. again, and then I'll move all files. Move. So then you see config, this config.php, edit it. That's where you set up your database. This way you set up your database details. So now I'll go back to my cPanel now, and I'll click search on. You can see my SQL database wizard. You see tripdb. So I'll make this one password too. See trip user. Then I'll search for phpMyAdmin to upload my SQL file. So to get your SQL file, you go to SQL folder. So you download this file now. Select the database. Still importing. So now my database details has been imported. So what I'll do now is I will go to my link and see if it's working. So as you can see right now, my website is actually working. And to log into the admin, go to /admin/login.php, and I'll get my admin details from the users. So I will edit this first part. Now look at the admin. I'll edit to get my, you can see admin. Then for the password, you put in the password which you want, and then you click on what, MD5. So MD5, got it, MD5. You scroll down to go and what. So right now I will log in. So you can see right now my website is logging in, so which means the setup was done successfully. So this is how you can actually set up this kind of website, and I'll show you how the website works. So this website is actually for flight booking, hotel booking, car booking, even tour booking. So if you have any difficulty installing this kind of website, you can still contact me, and if you need this website script, you can still contact me. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys in my next video.